Hello friends, you're welcome back again. On this video I want to show you how to claim your daily USDT ROI on SafePal USDT mining. Yes, if you've not joined this SafePal mining of USDT, then you should join now. Just ask me how it's done. So for those of us who have joined, there's something you must learn to do. If you don't do it, you may think you're earning. Your earnings are dropping, but you've not claimed it. So that's what this video is all about. I'm going to show you exactly how to claim those earnings once it drops, because it drops every 24 hours. So this is SafePal. I'm here already. Down here, you're going to go to where you have Explore. Explore, that's down here. We have Explore. Just click on Explore. Now, up here, where you have Search DApp or Add Link, look at it up here. Click inside that place. Now, when you click in this, you can see there are already some things here because I'm already a registered member. So I don't need the link. I don't need to type the link because I already have the link of the site, the DApp. That's Crypto Fortune. So I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, I make sure it's under the BNB Smart Chain as you see it here. If it's not under it, please make sure you use the BNB Smart Chain. It's very important. Now go up here and click on Go. Just watch. Now confirm. Whatever you see there, confirm. Go on. Go on. And it says sign in to continue. Don't worry. Click OK. Now put your security password. Okay, your security password is now in. It says sign in. It has opened. So this is my 8th day. By around 6:30 to be my 9th day for particular this account. Now look at this amount you are seeing here. You are seeing $3.996. This is what I've already claimed. Now I'll show you how to claim. You can be claiming every day, or you allow maybe after some days as it's big you claim. But it's good to be claiming every day. But if you don't have a time for every day, then after 2 days or 3 days, maybe you accumulate, you claim. But learn how to claim. So this one's already claimed. Now let me show you the ones unclaimed here that I'm going to claim right now. So when you go down here, you will see the ones you have made so far. I put in $20 because that's the minimum you can start with just for this particular account. Now, active cycle, this is what I've not yet claimed, claimable ROI. So what do? I click on claim ROI. Just watch. Now, having done this, the same thing is telling you this fee. Forget it, nothing is going on there. Click on confirm to see request for your security password. Put it again and move on. So once you've done it, it's done. So if you not check, you check here, you're going to see that it's not zero that's remaining here. Now check the ones we claim. Go up here again. You see that it's been added up. Now remember before now I showed you 3 point something. Now it's 5.3 so dollars. This by the time the evening today I get something else, it will be running to $6. That is in 8 or 9 days. Because the thing drops 3.33% of your investment every single day. If you start with investment of 50, you're automatically on level 2. If you start with 100, you're automatically on level 3. So, but if you start with anything $20 to $49, you're on level 1. So, and it's so fantastic. So if you are not yet part of this, I encourage you to join. But if you're part of it, this is exactly how to claim. Because if you don't know it, the earnings are dropping, but you've not yet claimed it. Now, what you see here that is underlined is what you can withdraw. So if they all drop and you've not claimed, this area will be zero. So anytime you want to withdraw money, you can't withdraw. You're wondering, I have money, I have not withdrawn. You cannot withdraw. You might start saying the system is fake. No. Now that I have this, I can easily now go to withdraw. Because minimum withdrawal is $5. But there's no need doing that because I'm still mining. So I'm going to stop at this. If you want to know how to join, please contact me. Show interest on the comment box wherever you're watching this video. Then contact me. Let's talk about it. I'll show you exactly the step-by-step guide on how to be a part of this and make cool money. on USDT. If you are new to our channel, do well to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. If it makes sense to you, please give us a thumbs up. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.